Sanibonani, dumelang, absheni. Kama usabelo umfana kamdluli, and yeah, people, I'm back with another video. As you can hear, to enthusiasm yami, my voice, my mood. I'm not a happy person. I am not a happy person. Still, angina kwali, angina problemi. I'm just not happy with what I've just witnessed or what I've just read, what I've just seen about the one and only TLB M Bison Mbegezile Mbokazi. Yes, bafethu nizwile, the news broke out. Yeah, it's been going on for the past 2 weeks. Lenda Balega Mbokazi, which he's set to go to the United States of America, MLS, to join the Chicago Fire. So the rumor started by saying Mbokazi was in the US. Pirates have agreed a fee. What not. He's at the US. Angazi katawenza uyobukela site where he will be going, the places he will be going in the US. Yeah. And all of that shenanigans. But then the news broke. Chicago Fire broke it. Yeah. Mbokazi is officially a Chicago player after the Carling Cup final this Saturday. Mbokazi will be playing his final game for the Orlando Pirates this Saturday, Carling Cup final. I'm happy for the kid, Bafethu. Honestly speaking, 20 years old, and I'm pretty sure where the MLS is, how it's structured, he will get paid lots of money. Bafethu. Untwana is going to get a big pay cut, big paycheck. Happy for him, happy for his family, happy for development yakhe. I don't know about that, but happy for him. Personally for him, it's a good move, Bafethu, because Orlando Pirates have done another one. They've taken one of their kids from the academy, and they've sold them. Sibathengisile labantu laba. Moha Nkotha Mbegezile Mbokazi is the next one. He's going to the United States. Personally, for me, I do not agree one bit with this move. I am not 100% in with this move. I am not a favor. I am not a judge. I don't like it. I'm sorry. Mbokazi, for me, you've dropped the ball here, Mfanagit. The fact that you are leaving in January, the fact that this Saturday is your last game, January, Wavula transfer window, you are gone. You are no longer an Orlando Pirates player. In the middle of the fucking season. That's my problem. Why didn't you go if season my pair? When we pick up a cup, besibamba kanje Premier League. Besibamba kanje iBetway Premiership. Why didn't you go there? Why didn't you? Why ungabi patient, Mbokazi? Patience is the key. Patience is a virtue. Yeah, it's not actually for Mbokazi, by the way, Bafethu. I'm not gonna blame Mbokazi any bit, or I'm not gonna go to Mbokazi and slate him and saying, bad choice. No. There are people who are behind him. Pause. There are people who are behind him who are working on this deal. First and foremost, is agent. The agent. She has played a blind Bafethu. She has played a blind Bafethu. Uyopoketa imali emnandi lo cherry lo to feed her family. Wealth. The agent there, run of applause. And the fact that you got Chicago Fire to pay Orlando Pirates 51 black-clad million rands. 51 million rands, bro. 51. That's a lot of money for a player who academy. The Pirates are imsayinanga Mbokazi. Pirates brought Mbokazi asaseyintwana bathi uzodlala i-development yethu. Sizokunatuara, sizokuyenza a player that you are today. We will mold you, we will take care of you, and you will pay us back and Mbogazi has definitely paid back Orlando Pirates 51 million rands. Pirates, as I told you, they never spent a penny on this boy to bring him to Pirates. Nothing. A profit of 51 million. She has played a blinder. But as I said, Buffett, I am not in the corner of saying what a move, best move possible, because I've got my concern ngale move le. First concern, Mbogazi. Hi. Brother, what if, and I say it's a bit if, what if you don't acclimatize fast in the US? What if something bad happens to you don't acclimatize to the playing style, the weather, the players, ukudla kwalaphayana, i-lifestyle yalaphayana. I know States it's more like South Africa, let's be honest, but there are some things that are too much for you to handle sometimes as a person. For me, Mbogazi should have waited until the end of the season. Start the season lane the Pirates. Go the full season. Finish the full season. Because let's be honest, Mbogazi break in last season. And he didn't break in first start of the season. He was not a first starter. Mbogazi broke in this team December, January. CAF Champions League, Nyakumbul. That's where he broke into this team. Couldn't you wait, my brother? Couldn't you wait? AFCON, you are a certified starter who starting lineup. It's a bafana gule AFCON. Imagine if you build your performance, you build your profile, going there, game after game. Are you telling me I'm at La Passe, France, Italy, Germany, maybe England, Spain, Portugal, Greece? Couldn't you wait for that? No, you couldn't wait for that. Because the money was too good to turn down. Are you kidding? You were not forced out of your Orlando Pirates. There's no fucking way he was forced out of Orlando Pirates. Pirates got the offer, they accepted. The player got the offer, he accepted. Let me tell you something. If two teams come together and they agree on a fee on a fee of a player, that's your side story. Then kuzozale team, the buying team, goes to the player and say, hey, this is what we are offering you. Are you taking it or are you leaving it? Mbogazi took it. Tata wabaleka uMbogazi. Nganasikhathi uMbogazi ukudlala. 20 fucking years old. Ubona imali lo uyibonayo. Uyabona ukuthi I'm going to get paid every week, not monthly. Every week. Financially, personally, it's a good move for Mbogazi. Football-wise, career-wise, I don't know. Short-term, World Cup. Hugo Broos, yo. Let me tell you something about Hugo Broos. And nizonge understand what's in team. There is Mailula, Cassius Mailula. Bongole to Hlongwane. Then the Kunwan, what's his name? Makanya, Philadelphia Union. Those three boys, they left EPSL for MLS. Bageba Nugana national team. Mailula was a certified player Bafana before leaving for MLS, before going to the MLS. After that, he was never called up. Hugo Broos said it, I'm not going to call you up, my guy. You are not going to come into this team. And he stayed true to his words, Hugo Broos. He has never called up Mailula ever since he moved to the US. Siaz Manju to say Belgium. He's in Belgium now, but I'm talking about the past, what happened. Hlongwane. Remember Hlongwane, another one who was certified when he was playing for Maritzburg. As soon as he went to the US of A, Hugo Boss wakambiza. Hugo Boss katambiza nje kuma preliminary squad, training squad, but the final squad he's not played for Bafana Bafana for a long time. He is not coming back to the team. Umakhanya, I'm not gonna speak much of Umakhanya because he's not been chosen before. He's not played for Bafana Bafana. Mbokazi, that is my concern now in Jayam. That is my concern now. The World Cup. Couldn't you wait? Okay, Bafetu, that's my 2 cents. I've given my 2 cents. I'm not happy with the move, but I'm happy for the kid for making the move for his personal gain. I'm happy for him. Career-wise, for me now, Mbokazi, my vision was go to AFCON, kill it, go AFCON, finish the season in Pirates, go to the freaking World Cup, and then you go to the biggest league, one of the biggest league or top 5 leagues: Spain, Germany, Italy, England, Portugal. Come on. Okay, Bafit. I'm not gonna read any articles. You've seen him. He's got the jersey. He's got the number 4. He's signed his contract, 5-year deal. Good luck to the boy. For the Orlando Pirates, yeah. Orlando Pirates has January. Do the right thing. Replace Mbokazi with quality. And when I'm talking about the quality, Ndamani, TX Galaxy. He's been linked to Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates, do the right thing. Left-footed center back. We don't have another left-footed center back. Orlando Pirates, Makambu Mbokazi. Go get Undamani. Go get him. He's not going to. Undamani Wayago Sundowns. He's not going to the World Cup. Come to Pirates. Orlando Pirates, I beg. Sign Undamani as a replacement to Mbokazi. Bafetu, before I leave, don't forget, please subscribe to your boy. It's easy. Just press that red button, subscribe button, like the video, comment down below. And Bafetu, what do you think of Mbokazi moving to the MLS? Personally, for me, I'm not happy for the kid going to MLS because I think he can do better than the MLS. But leave your comments down below and tell me what's in team Bafetu. Are you happy that Mbokazi is leaving Orlando Pirates, or are you not happy? Comment down below, Bafetu, I'm out. Carling Cup final Saturday. We will be there. Mbokazi, he will be wearing the armband. Let's hope uzoshiya kamnandi ashiye ngetrophy. Bafetu, ngiyabonga. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Nyancane.